You think you've seen smart gadgets, until something this small completely changes how you use technology every day. On AU Techverse, we're uncovering compact gadgets that solve real problems in ways you didn't expect, and every product featured here has its Amazon link waiting in the description. Don't skip, because the next device might be the one you didn't know you needed. MagLynX. You're at home, your phone battery is low, and the cable is either missing or tangled behind the desk. MagLynX removes that hassle by plugging directly into the wall and holding your phone in place with a strong magnetic mount while it charges. It also includes an additional USB-C port, so you can charge another device like a laptop at the same time. The foldable plug keeps it compact for travel, and it can support accessories like a smartwatch adapter. For everyday charging without clutter, it offers a clean and practical solution. Komutr. You're heading out, phone in your pocket, and you want your earbuds ready without carrying an extra case. Komutr solves that by using a MagSafe compatible case that attaches directly to the back of your phone so it stays with you wherever you go. Each earbud is lightweight and offers several hours of playback, while the case provides multiple recharges. Active noise cancellation helps reduce outside distractions, and a tracking feature makes it easier to locate a misplaced earbud. For everyday use, it keeps your audio setup simple, portable, and always within reach. CIRQ. You're setting up a movie night, but there's no screen, no cables, and no space for a full setup. CIRQ changes that by turning almost any surface into a display. This compact circular projector delivers full HD resolution with built-in apps, so you can stream content directly without extra devices. The adjustable mount and automatic keystone correction help you position it easily, even on a ceiling. Integrated stereo speakers handle audio, and the internal battery allows a few hours of use without plugging in. For portable entertainment, it offers a clean, all-in-one projection solution. Zone HSS1. You're walking through a busy street, trying to translate a conversation while holding your phone, switching apps, and losing focus. The Zone HSS1 simplifies that experience by sitting comfortably around your ear and neck, handling communication directly. Its AI processes context in real time, translating multiple languages and identifying objects through an adjustable camera. A detachable earbud allows shared listening, which is useful during conversations. It's designed to reduce reliance on your phone during interactions. For hands-free communication and translation, it offers a more natural and practical way to stay connected. The Cubik. You're opening a package or handling a quick cutting task, but carrying a full-size knife feels unnecessary. The Cubik is designed as a compact everyday carry tool that fits easily in your pocket. Made from titanium, it keeps the weight low while maintaining durability. The blade deploys using a simple gravity-based mechanism without springs, and the replaceable SK5 steel blade ensures long-term usability. Its small size makes it easy to carry without bulk. For quick, controlled cutting tasks in daily use, it offers a minimal and practical solution. Nano B9. You're outside at night, looking for something small in your bag, and your phone light isn't enough. The Nano B9 is designed for moments like this, with a compact, coin-sized body that fits easily on a keychain. It offers multiple lighting modes, including different brightness levels, red light for night vision, and additional modes like strobe and SOS. The built-in magnets let you attach it to metal surfaces for hands-free use, and it recharges quickly through USB-C. For portable lighting that's always within reach, it provides a reliable and versatile solution. Sparkr. You're outdoors, trying to light something in windy or damp conditions, and a traditional lighter keeps failing. The Sparkr replaces that with a flameless design that uses dual plasma arcs to ignite instantly without gas or fuel. It works reliably in wind and humidity, making it practical for outdoor use. The compact body is easy to carry, and it recharges through USB, so there's no need for refills. A dedicated button placement allows controlled, one-handed operation. For consistent ignition in challenging conditions, it offers a modern and dependable alternative to standard lighters. CorePlus. You're traveling with multiple devices, and finding enough outlets to charge everything becomes a constant problem. The CorePlus solves that by acting as a compact power station you can carry in your bag. It offers high battery capacity and multiple USB-C ports, allowing you to charge several devices at once, including phones, tablets, and laptops. It also supports wireless charging and compatibility with accessories like smartwatches. The battery is replaceable, which adds long-term usability. For managing power on the go without carrying multiple chargers, it provides a reliable and efficient solution. Habity. You wake up to a loud alarm, instantly reaching for your phone, and your day starts with stress instead of focus. Habity changes that experience with a bedside device designed around a gradual wake-up routine. Instead of a sudden alarm, it slowly increases warm light and plays calming sounds like nature or ambient tones. The e-paper display avoids harsh blue light, making it easier on your eyes at night. It works without constant internet connection, keeping the setup simple. For a more natural start to your day, it offers a calm and controlled wake-up experience. MININOVA Air Pump. You're about to head out on your bike, and a flat tire stops everything. The MININOVA Air Pump is designed to fix that quickly without carrying bulky equipment. Its compact size fits easily in a pocket or bag, yet it uses a brushless motor to deliver efficient inflation. The built-in display shows real-time pressure, so you can monitor progress accurately, and the auto-stop function shuts the pump off at the set value. Powered by an internal battery, it works without manual effort. For quick and controlled tire inflation on the go, it provides a reliable solution. CWEPADY G10. You're recording a quick clip while walking, and the footage turns shaky the moment you move. The CWEPADY G10 is designed to stabilize your video with a 6-axis electronic system that smooths out motion in real time. Its lightweight build makes it easy to carry, while the internal battery supports several hours of continuous use. It helps maintain steady framing even during movement, reducing the need for post-editing corrections. For creators who want stable footage without carrying bulky gear, it offers a compact and practical solution. IDR01 Smart Ring. You're tracking your activity during the day, but constantly checking your phone breaks your focus. The IDR01 Smart Ring keeps that data on your finger, monitoring metrics like activity, sleep stages, and overall energy levels based on factors like movement and oxygen levels. It supports multiple sports modes and uses gesture controls so you can interact without pulling out your phone. The titanium build adds durability, and its water resistance makes it suitable for daily wear. For continuous health tracking in a compact form, it provides a discreet and practical solution. Bullet SSD. You're working with large files on the go, and relying on cloud storage isn't always practical or fast. The Bullet SSD keeps your data physically with you in a compact, lightweight form that easily attaches to a keychain. It offers high-speed data transfer through USB-C, allowing you to read and write files quickly enough for direct editing without copying them first. The aluminum body adds durability and protection, while its resistance rating helps handle everyday conditions. For portable storage with reliable speed and convenience, it provides a secure and efficient solution. CoffeeJack V2. You're traveling or working outdoors, and a proper espresso feels out of reach without a machine. The CoffeeJack V2 changes that by using a manual mechanism to generate consistent pressure for real espresso extraction. Its internal system converts your hand motion into the pressure needed, maintaining around 9 bars during brewing. The design includes a standard-sized portafilter and shower screen to ensure even water flow through the coffee grounds. It doesn't require electricity or a flat setup, making it practical in different environments. For portable espresso without compromise, it delivers a consistent and reliable brewing experience. TitanSpin. You're sitting idle for a moment, reaching for something to keep your hands busy. But most fidget tools do only one thing. The TitanSpin combines a spinner with a compact multi-tool system built from titanium cards that attach magnetically. Each card includes practical features like screwdrivers and small utility tools, covering everyday tasks in a pocket-sized format. The cards can be used individually or together, and the spinning function adds a simple way to stay engaged. For a compact tool that blends utility with everyday carry convenience, it offers a unique and functional design. MiniProca. You're working on a desk with limited space, juggling between your main screen and notifications on your phone. The MiniProca brings everything together in a compact desktop system with a built-in touchscreen that can act as a secondary display. It supports multiple external monitors while running on a full PC setup, making it suitable for multitasking. The adjustable screen angle improves visibility, and the compact aluminum body keeps it portable without sacrificing performance. For users who need a small yet capable workstation, it offers a practical balance between size and functionality. Halliday AI Glasses. You're in a meeting or walking through a busy area, and checking your phone for information feels distracting. The Halliday AI Glasses keep that information directly in your line of sight through a discrete display only you can see. They use AI to assist with tasks like real-time translation and contextual suggestions during conversations. Control is handled through a separate touch-enabled ring, keeping interaction simple. The lightweight design makes them comfortable for extended use, and the system is built to respect privacy without relying on a camera. For hands-free information access, it offers a practical and focused solution. Nocturne. You're trying to sleep, but silence feels uncomfortable and random noise keeps pulling your attention. The Nocturne is designed to create a controlled sound environment using a selection of preloaded ambient sounds like rain, ocean waves, or forest noise. Instead of relying on apps or streaming, everything is stored locally and can be adjusted directly on the device using an integrated equalizer. Its dual speaker setup delivers balanced audio, while the simple interface keeps it distraction-free. For creating a consistent and calming sleep environment, it offers a focused and reliable solution. Roam. You're heading out, and a few hours later you realize your keys or bag are missing. The Roam Tracker is designed to prevent that situation by attaching securely using an elastic strap instead of bulky cases. It works directly with both Apple Find My and Android Find My device networks, so you can locate your item without installing extra apps. The casing is made from recycled material, and a CR code allows someone to contact you if they find it. For simple and reliable item tracking, it offers a practical everyday solution. MagHub Go. You're transferring files, charging your phone, and connecting accessories all at once, and your setup quickly becomes messy. The MagHub Go combines multiple functions into a single compact device that attaches magnetically to your phone. It offers high-speed storage, USB-C connectivity, and fast charging support in one aluminum body. The built-in fingerprint system adds an extra layer of security for your data. In real use, it helps reduce cables and keeps everything organized while working on the go. That brings us to the end of these compact gadgets designed to simplify everyday tasks and improve how you use your tech. If any of these stood out to you, you'll find all the Amazon links in the description. Let me know in the comments which gadget you'd actually use. And don't forget to like and subscribe to AU Techverse for more practical tech that truly makes a difference.